Hello friends, in this video today I will tell you step by step how you can download any music from Google Chrome browser. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do it quickly. First of all, open the Google Chrome browser and enter the name of the song you want to download. After that you have to click on any of the first websites. Here you will click on the website, then here you can also play this song and download it. To download you click on the download button in the right bottom. Now I am telling you another way. Another way is to search for a website called Pixabay Music in Google Chrome. Here you will find all types of music that you can easily download for free. In this way you can download any song or any music from Google Chrome browser. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next interesting video. Allah Hafiz.